Many bank branches are closed this Columbus Day, so perhaps it's a good opportunity to focus on the growth of online banking. For that, we turn to Diane Morais, CEO and President of Ally Bank. Diane, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
You were one of the pioneers in online banking. How much more growth is possible now in branchless banking?
So that's a great question, and we do believe we've been pioneers, really dating back to 2009 when we launched Ally Bank. And what we see is that customers absolutely are adopting online banking at record numbers. So Ally now currently serves nearly 1.1 million consumers, and that just continues to grow week after week, year after year. The beauty of the online model is that because we don't have expensive branches, we're able to translate that savings in the form of better interest rates, lower fees for consumers, and they really appreciate the fact that their money can work much harder when they put it with Ally.
Is there still a role left for the traditional banks in terms of a brick and mortar? Are there people who still want to go in and talk to somebody face to face?
I think the role of the traditional bank is continuing to shift. More and more people are comfortable interacting with an online-only bank, and quite frankly, there's very little that you need a traditional bank for. The only thing that you can't do at Ally is send us cash, and most customers don't want to do that anyway. And so we see across all demographic groups record new customer volume coming to Ally. And again, what we believe we've been able to marry great digital experience with the human component for people who want to talk to us. That is the reaction that customers really appreciate the experience, and they don't want to stand in line to talk to someone face to face.
You've actually had some pretty good earnings success the last couple of quarters, and you've been diversifying your business away from the auto loan business, which a lot of people knew you as originally. Do you expect to continue diversifying, or are you satisfied with your current product mix in the portfolio?
So thank you for that. We absolutely are focused on continuing to diversify our businesses. So as you know, we launched a credit card back in June, the Ally Cashback credit card. We also purchased an online brokerage and wealth management company. We're in the process of integrating that, and that'll be available for consumers starting at the beginning of the year. And we'll also be offering mortgages beginning late fourth quarter of 2016. So all of these efforts are absolutely capitalizing on the momentum and the brand that we've created with Ally. And we believe that diversification will continue to provide meaningful opportunities for consumers to expand their relationship with Ally and continue to drive earnings for our shareholders.
Do you expect to get any customers from Wells Fargo after that scandal there?
So what I would say is Ally is absolutely focused on the customer. Everything we do from the very first day that we launched our bank has started with the customer at the center. As we continue to expand our products and services, our philosophy is to communicate with our customers what we have to offer, why it might be relevant for them, and allow the customer to make the choice on expanding their relationship based on what they see their needs are. So again, Ally has been growing our customer base very consistently, every week, really since inception, and we expect to continue to see a long runway for growth.
And Diane, finally, what are your expectations once interest rates do rise if the Federal Reserve makes another move either December or early next year? What does that do for your earnings, and potentially what does it mean for your customers?
Right, so we've been waiting for that rising rate environment for a long time. And I think from an Ally perspective, what we're going to see is that our loan products will continue to gradually reprice as rates move up, as will our deposit products. From a deposit perspective, a higher rate environment is great for savers, right? So we see a real opportunity to continue to grow our deposit portfolio while we continue to emphasize our lending products, and that will be good for Ally. But again, all of our expectations are that rates are probably going to still be pretty flat throughout 2017, maybe 1 or 2 rate hikes. So we think we're pretty much in this environment for the foreseeable future.
Diane Morais, CEO of Ally Bank, thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.